Why men pull away, 5 reasons why and how to make it stop. Men who pull away are often in situations in which they are playing the field and playing games with women's emotions. This leads to instability right off the bat. This is where I like to take a moment to tell my coachees that even though they may be single and dating, not every man that they meet is going to have the same intentions. 1. Men pull away because they don't want to be in a relationship. If a man is honest and tells you he does not want a relationship, then as a woman you should honor his truth in telling you this and take a moment to reflect and understand that you may need to pull away. Though it can be difficult to ask a man what he is looking for, it also challenges you to get one step closer to your goal. 2. Signs he is a player. It's important as women that we understand how and when to pay attention to red flags. In another article, I explain the difference between a high-valued woman and a low-valued woman. We all come across players. The difference is whether or not you continue to date them after you spot red flags. 3. When guys pull away, they might not be that into you. Even though this one may be hard to swallow because we value ourselves so highly as women and no one likes a blow to the ego or rejection, it's important to talk about. Oftentimes a man will show you signals of commitment but not want to commit to getting to know you. 4. You fall in love too easily. Typically, men love to see their woman as a prize that they need to work for. They see the woman that they choose to be with as an accomplishment and as someone that took work to earn. It might sound a little silly, but it's true. Men love to know a woman has a mind of her own, is confident, and isn't easy to get. 5. Personal troubles. Now, a lot of men will not be in a relationship if they don't feel secure within themselves. This is especially true if the woman is someone beautiful and independent. For example, a man may pull away if he is not financially secure at the moment. This is something that may help him feel superior, confident, and not wonder if he is good enough for you. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com/hissecret. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.